We're going to discuss about the earthworm introduction in organ and organ system of animals. So organ and organ system of animals means here you're going to study about the various organ and the organ system like digestive system, reproductive system and excretory system, circulatory system and nervous system. So various types of systems are to be studied in each and every animals. The first one here we're going to discuss is earthworm. So it is an introduction part. So earthworm's zoological name is Lampito marshi. And the classification, phylum Annelida. Annelida means segmented body. Class Oligochaeta. Order Haplotaxida. Genus Lampito. Species Martiae. So this is the systematic position of earthworm. So the earthworm is a terrestrial invertebrate that inhabits the upper layers of the moist soil rich in decaying organic matter. So earthworm is a terrestrial invertebrates. Invertebrates means they don't have backbones. Okay, and they are where they are living? They are living in the upper layers of the moist soil, and they are, that is upper layer of moist soil, and that is rich in decaying organic matter. So the soil should has the decaying matter, organic matter should be decayed there. It is a nocturnal, and during the day it lives in burrows made by burrowing and swallowing the soil. Okay, nocturnal means it is a night animal, so only in night times it come out. Okay, in daytime what it do means it lives in the burrows, and it lives in the burrows. So the burrowing and swallowing the soil. So the burrows, inside the burrows it is living and it burrows and swallow the soil. In gardens, they can be traced by their fecal deposits known as worm casting on the soil surface. So if you go to the gardens, there you can see the worm castings. By that worm casting, you can identify there is an earthworm. Okay, and it is rich in organic matter, and it is acting as a manure also, this worm casting. Earthworm are considered as friends of farmers. So earthworm is called the friends of farmer while ploughing. So it brings the lower soil upper and upper soil low, and it is useful for agriculture purpose. So only it is called as friends of farmers. The common Indian earthworms are Lampito marshi, synonym, that is Megacolex marshi. So you can remember Lampito marshi or Megacolex marshi. Perioxene excavators and Metaphyr posthuma, synonym Peritemia posthuma. So the earthworm are also conveniently classified based on their ecological strategies. So based on the ecological strategies, the earthworm is classified into three, that is epigeics, aneics and endogeics. So based on the burrowing capacity in the soil, they are divided into epigeics, aneics and endogeics. Epigeics. In Greek, epi means upper on the earth. So epigeics means upper on the earth. Are the surface dwellers. Example, Perinox excavators and Eudrilus eugeniae. So they are surface dwellers. So they dwell the surface soil and they live there. Aneics in Greek, that is, aneics means outer layer of the earth. So outer layer of the earth means upper layers of the soil they will live. Example, Lampito marshi, Lumbricus terrestris. Endogeics, that is the Greek for which, that is endogeic means within the earth, inside the earth they live. They are found in deeper regions, that is deeper layers of the soil. Example, Octoketonia trustoni. Octoketonia trustoni. So you can see in this diagram, that is epigeeks. This is the epigeeks one which lives on the upper surface, and the next one is annex here in the middle, that is somewhat the layers, upper layers it lives, and endogeeks it lives in the, see here in this, that is deeper layer of the soil. So this is the earthworm classification based on the ecological strategies, means based on the soil where it is present. In the deeper region it is called endogeeks, in the middle it is called anegeeks, that is middle means in the upper layers, one or two layers below, and epigeeks means it is the dwellers, here it is the dwelling region, the surface region. So these three types they can be classified. Okay, hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. I had given the link of Tamil version. If you want to go and watch it, you can go and watch it. If you like the video, give the thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.